Hey guys, today I will show you how to transfer money from your Cash App to OnePay. So first off, I'm going to tell you that Cash App does not offer a direct send to OnePay option inside the app. There is no native integration between Cash App and OnePay wallets, so you must use an indirect transfer method. And the method is, first of all, linking your OnePay debit card if available. Open your Cash App, go to Profile, click Linked Banks and click Link Card. Add your OnePay debit card details if your OnePay account provides a card. This is the fastest working method. Now, step 3 is cashing out from Cash App to your linked card. So tap the Balance tab on Cash App, tap Cash Out, select the amount you want to transfer, and choose your linked OnePay card as the destination. Select Instant or Standard Transfer. Instant transfers arrive faster but may include a fee. Now, step 4 is alternative method using bank as a bridge. So if you cannot link your OnePay card, you can transfer money from Cash App to your bank account first, then open the OnePay app and tap Add Money or Top Up. And then you can add funds using your bank or linked cards. Many OnePay wallet supports adding funds via cards or bank accounts. Now, step 5 is confirming the transfer in OnePay. So you can open your OnePay application and check your wallet balance. Some transfers gets completed instantly, that is card transfers, and some transfers may take 1 to 3 business days, like bank transfers. So transfer timing depends on the method you choose. Now, important tips, make sure the card name matches your Cash App name, use a verified OnePay account for smoother transfers, and double check card details before cashing out. Some regions or OnePay versions may not support direct card linking. So, in conclusion, there is currently no official direct Cash App to OnePay button, and the safest and most reliable method is Cash App to bank or card and then to OnePay. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you in the next one.